So we're gonna wrap the tires on this John Deere Perego power wheels. I'm taking these used mountain bike tires. They're 29-inch tires, and they're big enough to cover basically the whole width of the wheel on the power wheels. So we're gonna cut them into strips, wrap it around, then drill a hole, and I'm gonna rivet these to the wheel with stainless rivets. So this is how the rivets go in. A trick for getting these out: take one of the rivets that's broken off. Out it comes. It's a Sure-Bond rivet tool. So just pre-drill the hole through the rubber and into the wheel. Take your rivet, all there is to it. There it is down on the ground. Hopefully we can get another year or so out of these bad boys. Hope this was helpful. Take care.